Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide view status on WhatsApp Messenger. First, you need to open your WhatsApp Messenger app. Now tap on setting at the bottom right corner of your iPhone. Then tap on account. Now tap on privacy. You will see an option called status. Inside privacy, scroll down. You will see an option called read receipt. Turn it off when read receipt is off. People want to know you view their status. You also want to see who views your status. This is official way to hide your status view. And some important tips. After turning off read receipt, wait at least 24 hours before you view someone's status. This makes sure WhatsApp fully updated your privacy setting if you had read receipt on earlier. If you want to be extra safe, here's some simple trick. Turn your airplane mode before viewing the status. Then open the status, watch it and close the app completely. After that, turn off your airplane mode. This ensures your view never gets sent to WhatsApp server. And remember, when read receipt is off, you can view status securely, but you also want to see who viewed your own status. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.